Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce your blue light from your skin. So blue light is very dangerous for our eyes. So I'm going to show you how you can reduce this. So for this we need a software called f.lux. So open your browser, near search f.lux and go to this website and download this one and click on save. Now I'm going to open this and click on run, click on accept. It shows us to restart our computer, but I'm going to restart my computer later. Now you can add your zip put in here, but I'm going to click on cancel. You can adjust your light like this. So that's how you can easily reduce your blue light. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.